Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a slice in golf. Adjust your grip slightly stronger and focus on a closed club face through impact. Aim to swing from inside to out while keeping your head steady and weight shifting to the front foot. Practice slow, controlled swings with a mid-iron, checking that the club head approaches the ball on a shallow path. Repeat drills for consistency and monitor ball flight for improvement. Start by checking your grip and stance to remove the slice. Strengthen the lead hand and ensure the club face sits slightly less open at address. Align your feet and shoulders to a target line that encourages an inside swing path. Shift weight to the front foot during the downswing and rotate hips toward the target. Use small half swings to groove the feeling before increasing length and tempo. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more golf tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your rides fresh after long practice sessions. I use it after tough range days, and it's a small win that brightens the drive home. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drills are key to curing a slice, so try simple tools to retrain your path. Place an object outside the ball to encourage swinging inside and through, avoiding an outside to in cut. Work on keeping your hands inside the club on the takeaway and feel the club head release through impact. Repeat with short swings, then build to full swings while maintaining a steady tempo. Track progress by observing straighter ball flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.